Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. That begins now. Today we're going to continue the fish project, and so if we go to render view mode, as you can see in the last video, why is that pink? Wait, no way. Okay, so in the pebbles, turns out, okay, this is pink problem. Okay, so first of all, this is the frame I made. You can also make it too. But first, if we, why am I still in? Okay. If we delete that. Move this here. Okay, need to make everything order. If we press add, you know what? Let's just leave that alone for now. I'll teach for now. Select the wall. I'll teach you how to make a window. Go to edit mode. So basically, what I've done is okay. So if you go to layout, go to solid view mode. What you want to do? So you will have to do it on the wall, but I've already done it. So I'll do it on So if I'll do it on this plane. Yeah. So S scale it up. RX 90. Okay, so what you want to do is go to edit mode, which I already am. Right click, subdivide, and then right click, and then go to subdivide and number of cuts. Change it to like this, and what you want to do is basically select the middle one. X, delete faces. You got a window, yeah. And plus the other thing wanted to mention was, actually, what if we move this frame to the window? Oh my god. Wait, RZ90. Okay. Wait, no. RZ180. From the wrong way. Okay. And then if we go to this mode, if we go onto this axis, and then G, and then move here, S, scale up, S, Y, no, S, Y, move it in, S, Z, move it out. If we go into this axis, and plus we can delete this. Oh my god. No. Shift, select everything here on this cut thing. Delete faces. Okay. Anyways, back to the thing. Select this GX. Do this. And now if we okay, and select it and then go to edit mode. Select this face, X, delete faces. Dude, what do you look at that? That looks sick. Bro, actually that looks sick. And plus we have another problem. The pebbles. So if we go to pebbles, wait, no, not the pebbles. Is it UV editing? No. Okay, how do we do this? So if we go to pebbles.
2,000 years later.
No. Oh! It must have been, Oh, okay. Pebbles. Don't tell me wait. Pebbles. No, I deleted it. Okay, now I fixed it. So if you go to here, you go to pictures, the whole thing. Go to the UV editing. Change this to, okay, and then if we change the name, if to do pebbles, I'm gonna change this. Okay, here. Okay. Okay, yeah, I fixed it. Easy as. Okay, so it turns pink because you moved the picture or deleted it, and I deleted it. That's why you shouldn't delete it. It's kind of stupid of me. But now it's all fixed, and it shouldn't be fixed. Why is it fixed? Brrr. Easy. Dude, easy as. No need to do any hard work. Okay, finally. Get some peace. Okay. Add mesh plane. Okay. Where's the plane? Okay, first step. Oh, okay. First step, go to modeling view. RX. No, RY90. And then if you look on this axis, you can see that S Z S Y S Y S Y. I mean, it doesn't matter if it like goes through S Z because they won't be seen. Okay, good. Finally, okay. Looks pretty good. All you want to do is add a new material. If you go to that, if you go to this mode. Okay, please don't crash. Please don't crash. Okay, so you cannot see that in the thing, sadly. That's okay. Okay, let's change the start amount to 120. Yes, and end at 300. Actually, end at 200, whatever. Okay, so what we want to do, you see there? Okay, look at that. Look at that window. Look at it. Okay, all you want to do is turn the transmission all the way up. Not all the way. Okay, let it cool down. Transmission roughness a bit down. Okay, good. Now, if we go to object, okay, what is that create from? Okay, object, I think, no, view, add, no, it should be here. yeah. Anyways, that's basically it for today because I'm